Hello guys, today we will discussing rib command in NX CAD. First of all, open NX software, then go to new. From home tab, click on new. After that, new window is open, then click on model tab, then double click on model. After that, new window is open, we can work there. First of all, go to home and click on sketch and click on plane where you want to work. After that, click on OK and choose rectangle. Click on rectangle or R enter. Click on method by 2 point. First click and second click diagonally. Scroll press or escape press for exit from command. Then click on make symmetric or S-center. First click, second click, then third click by symmetric line. Then click on OK. After that, click on rapid dimension or de-enter. First click, then second click. First click and second click. Choose method from this one. First click, second click, then third click. If you want to change, just double click and fill the value. Suppose 350, enter. After that, click on finish for exit from sketch. And click on extrude or X-center and fill the value there 70. Then click on OK. After that, click on sketch and click on face. Then click OK and click on circle and draw the circle. De-enter for rapid dimension. Choose method for diameter, diametral dimension. First click, second click as per your choice and fill the value. Suppose 50, enter. Click on finish and click on extrude. Fill the value there. Choose method unite or this one option. Then click on OK. After that, click on sketch. Then choose on front plane. Then click on OK. Click on line and draw a line. X-center or make coincident click. No selection, then choose. First click entire assembly, then click on this edge, click on apply. After that D enter for rapid dimension and choose method, first one, and give the value, first click, second click and third click. Again first click and choose method, second click, and for placement click on close and edit. Suppose 25 enter, their diameter is 50, so I fill 25. Double click and fill the value 50, enter. After that click on finish. Go to menu, insert, design feature and go to rib. Choose second method, this is rib, and fill the value, suppose 20. The shape is changed. If fill 2, shape change according to value. There are two options, asymmetric or symmetric. This is first option. You can change edit, right click on rib, go to edit with rollback. Now this option is clear and you can change value, suppose 15, and click on OK. Now we will discussing perpendicular to section plane. First we draw sketch or model. Suppose I change, click on shell, then click on OK. Click on sketch, click on face, then click OK and draw a line and give dimension from there to there, then click on OK. Then go to rib command or repeat command, then go to rib. You can choose there or go to menu, insert, design feature, rib. Choose first option and click on line and fill the value there. Same option, then click on OK. This is rib command. If you learn from my video, please like, comment and share. Also subscribe my YouTube channel. Thanks everyone.